How to create Binance Web3 Wallet. Get started. First, make sure you have downloaded the Binance app from the App Store or Google Play Store and you are logged into your account. Once logged in, at the top right, you're going to find 3 bars. Click on that. Click on More Services. Now here you're going to find the option Web3 Wallet. Click on that. If you are using it for the first time, you'll see a welcome screen explaining what Binance Web3 Wallet is. Tap Get Started, tap Create Wallet. You may be asked to verify your identity or confirm with biometrics. Follow the on-screen prompts. Now choose your wallet name. This is just for your reference. Tap Next. You'll now be prompted to back up your wallet. Binance gives you 2 options: manual backup using the tool word seed phrase, cloud backup via Google Drive or iCloud. If you choose manual backup, write down your seed phrase and store it offline in a secure place. Never share it. After backup, confirm your phrase or follow the cloud setup process. Once backup is complete, your Web3 wallet is ready. You can now send or receive crypto, connect to dApps, explore DeFi or NFTs directly through Binance, and manage assets across multiple chains like BNB Smart Chain, Ethereum, and more. And that's it. You have just created your Binance Web3 wallet. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.